Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on fruits. The right choices can help balance blood sugar levels while keeping your diet vibrant and delicious. Let's dive into the top 7 fruits for diabetics you must eat. Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Fit Facts. Today we are focusing on top 7 fruits for diabetics you must eat. Let's start. Fruit 1. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, berries have a low glycemic index, making them a perfect snack for managing blood sugar. Quick tip: add them to your yogurt or oatmeal for a diabetic-friendly breakfast. Fruit 2. Apples. An apple a day keeps blood sugar at bay. Apples are rich in fiber and vitamin C. Always eat them with the skin for maximum benefit. Quick tip: pair with a handful of nuts for a filling snack. Fruit 3. Oranges and citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are high in vitamin C and fiber, with a low glycemic load. They also boost immunity. Quick tip: skip the juice and enjoy whole citrus fruits to avoid sugar spikes. Fruit 4. Pears. Naturally sweet and high in fiber, pears stabilize blood sugar while supporting heart health. Quick tip: try baked pears for a warm, diabetic-friendly dessert. Fruit 5. Kiwi. Small but mighty, kiwis are loaded with vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. They improve digestion and help regulate blood sugar. Quick tip: enjoy them as a refreshing snack or in a salad. Fruit 6. Avocado. Yes, avocados are fruits. Their healthy fats and low sugar content make them an excellent choice for blood sugar control. Quick tip: mash them onto whole grain toast for a diabetic-friendly breakfast. Fruit 7. Cherries. Cherries are rich in antioxidants and have a moderate glycemic index, making them a sweet treat that supports healthy blood sugar levels. Quick tip: opt for fresh or frozen, not canned cherries with added sugar. These 7 fruits aren't just delicious, they're your allies in managing diabetes while keeping your diet vibrant and healthy. Which fruit is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Fit Facts for more tips on living a healthy